Friends, let's begin by counting by tens all the way to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Please stand. We're going to count by fives. We're going to clap, pat all the way to 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Thank you, friends. You may be seated. Let's look right this way. This coin is a nickel. It's a nickel. Michaela got it. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents.
5 cents, 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Count by fives.
This coin is
Penny.
the color.
Copper.
The president.
Abraham Lincoln.
Yes, Mason. Abraham Lincoln. A penny is worth
1 cent.
We count by ones. A penny is worth 1 cent. 1 cent, 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. We count by ones. This coin is
Quarter.
good, Holly. The color is
Silver.
the president. George.
Washington.
A quarter's worth.
25 cents.
Say it together. 25 cents. A quarter's worth 25, 25, 25. A quarter's worth 25 cents. This coin is
Dime.
the color is
Silver.
the president. Franklin.
Roosevelt.
A dime is worth.
10 cents.
You count by
Tens.
stand. There was a girl, she had some dimes. She had to count by tens. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. You have to count by tens. Thank you, friends. You may be seated. Let's do some addition combinations. While Mrs. Turner is here, I would like for Safa, Mason, Cyrus, and Holly to go answer one of those combinations over there. The rest of you say these with me. Begin. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. I love it. Friends watching? You're right. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Lincoln, I love your hard work. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Good, Michaela. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Micah, this is for you.
5 plus 1 equals 6.
Kylie?
0 plus 2 equals 2.
It does. Michaela?
3 plus 2 equals 5.
And Lincoln?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Well, let's see how our friends did over here with their combinations. Go ahead and step back just a little bit. It's okay. I'll help you. Come over here, and I will help you in just a second. If this is yours, tell me your combination with your answer.
3 plus 4 equals 7.
You did it. Say woo-hoo.
Woo-hoo.
Go to your seat. If this is yours,
2 plus 4 equals 6.
say woo-hoo.
Woohoo!
Good. Now, Cyrus, let's look at yours. What number is this? 3. So I'm going to draw 3 lines. And what number is this?
3.
So I'm going to draw 3 more lines. So 3 plus 3 equals?
6.
Yes. So go ahead and write 6 there. See, you got that. Very nice that you were able to do it. You could go back to your seat. Woohoo for Cyrus. Come over here, Mason. Tell me your combination and the answer. Back up just a little bit.
5 plus 2 equals 7.
Yes, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Our friends did a good job with that. What is 1 plus 1?
2.
2 plus 2?
4.
Good. 2 plus 2 is 4. What about 3 plus 3?
6.
Good. What is 5 plus 2?
7.
Good. 5 plus 2 is 7. We're going to go ahead and do these together. I say, you say. I'm not going to write the answer, but we're going to review them. I say 2 plus 3. You say
5.
2 plus 3.
5.
2 plus 3.
5.
I say 8 plus 1. You say
9.
8 plus 1.
9.
8 plus 1.
9.
I say 0 plus 4. You say 4. Good, Lincoln. That's the second time I caught you. Great work. 0 plus 4.
4.
I say 1 plus 9. You say
10.
10. 1 plus 9.
10.
1 plus 9.
10.
Oh, do you see my friend that came to our classroom to visit us today? This is Mr. Ruler. Say hello, Mr. Ruler.
Hello, Mr. Ruler.
He is going to be a help to us because in our lesson today, we're going to learn a little bit about the ruler. I want you to look right here. Do you see this? It says, my growth chart. I have measured you in the fall, in the winter, and we're going to be measuring more to see how tall you are growing. I want you to look here. Do you see the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Well, those are called inches. What are they? Inches. Good. We use inches to measure things. We want to measure how tall someone is or how long something is. We use a ruler, and on the ruler, it has inches. What does it have?
Inches.
Between 1 and 2, that is an inch. Between 2 and 3, that is an inch. What is it? Inch. So small. Can you measure how tall? Say that after me. Inch. Say it after me. Inch. So small.
Inch. So small.
Can you measure how tall?
Can you measure how tall?
Good. Now to know exactly how long an inch is, we can use a ruler. On the ruler, you can see that it has the numbers 1 all the way to 12. These are inches. This right here is about the size of an inch. Take your fingers, put it just like that. This is about the size of an inch. To know the exact size of an inch, we need to use a ruler. Now, if you look over here, this is not 1 inch. He's just showing you how, but look right here. Does that look like what I just showed you? No, this is just Mr. Ruler here. He's just helping us learn what an inch would look like. So it is about this big. What is an inch? This big. Good. This ruler is going to tell me exactly how long an inch is. I have some items over here. First, let me get my pointer. Would my pointer be 1 inch?
No.
No. Do you think it's more than an inch?
Yes.
Yes, it's more than an inch. What about this paper clip? Do you think this paper clip is about 1 inch? You're right. I think it is about 1 inch. What about this adhesive bandage? Do you think it is 1 inch?
No.
Well, let's see. An inch is right here. So is that the entire adhesive bandage? No, it's just part of it. So this would be longer than 1 inch. Staples to put good work on our board in the back. Do you think this is 1 inch or longer, Mason?
Longer.
You're right, it is longer than 1 inch. What is an inch about? Just like this. You got it, friends. What about this eraser? Do you think it's about 1 inch? Yes, I think it's about an inch, maybe just a smidge more. This pencil. Yes, this pencil is 1 inch. You're shaking your head no. Why not, Lincoln?
Because it's more than an inch.
You're right, it is more than an inch. Inch, so small. It's small. If I have a chopstick here, is my chopstick 1 inch, or do you think it's more than 1 inch?
More than 1 inch.
You're right, it is more than 1 inch. You see, we use inches to measure how tall someone is or how long something is. Mr. Ruler is here. He wants to help us to know that an inch is about this big. About what?
This big.
You're right, and he is so glad that on our paper that we're about to do, we're going to get to see that. Again, here's another idea. Now again, this is bigger because it's on our board and I wanted you to see it, but we measure inches just like this. Do you see right here, the space from here to here on that little ruler would be about 1 inch. It's bigger up here just to show you the distance of it. Well, we have something fun we get to do. On our paper in this lesson, we're going to do this paper together, and look right here. We have a ruler. We're going to get to use that ruler to look at those pictures to see if it's more than an inch. Are you ready to do this special paper? Oh, I'm so excited about this. Mrs. Turner is going to need you to have your paper and your pencil, and we'll get busy on our paper. Prepare for your paper. Oh, I love looking out, seeing how well you were able to write your names on your paper. You are getting bigger. Oh, you're almost ready for first grade. Let Mrs. Turner tell you a little bit about our paper today. Section number 1 says to write the number that comes before. Go ahead and work on section 1 and then we'll check it together. Write the number that comes before. Write the number that comes before. Michaela is working diligently. Cyrus is working hard. I like what I see. Good work, friends watching. Safa's just about done. Lincoln's working hard. Put your eyes this way. What number? The first number, Holly, what is it?
41.
And what comes before 41?
40.
40. How do I write it?
A 4 in the front and a 0 in the back.
Good. What's the next number, Michaela?
76.
Good. And what comes before 76?
75.
75. You are correct. The next number, Micah?
30.
30. What comes before 30?
29.
How do you write it?
A 2 in the front and a 9 in the back.
Good. A 2 in the front and a 9 in the back. What's the next number, Safa?
64.
It's 65. What comes before 65?
64.
Good. You gave me the answer. Oh, Kylie, I love that your pencil is so quiet. She's working hard. Friends watching, what number is last? Yes, it's 11. And what comes before 11? Good. It's 10. And how would I write it? You're right. A 1 in the front and a 0 in the back. Let's do section 2 together. I say, you say. I say 2 plus 3, you say.
5.
Good. I say 2 plus 3, you say.
5.
5. Will you read the next one for me, Cyrus? 3 plus 3 equals?
5.
Well, it's not 5. Remember, we did it on the board.
Yes,
it's 6. So read the whole combination, Cyrus.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Good. Read the next one, Michaela.
2 plus 5 equals 7.
Class, let's read that and say the answer. 2
2
plus
plus
5
5
equals
equals
7. Holly, go to the next row. First combination.
4 plus 2 equals 6.
It is 6. Let's read that, friends. 4 plus 2 equals 6. I say 5 plus 2. You say?
7.
Yes, 5 plus 2.
7.
5 plus 2.
7.
And let's read the last combination, Mason.
4 plus 3 equals 7.
Yes, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now, I'm so excited about this part on our paper because there's Mr. Ruler. He is there. He wants to help us do this part. It says, fill in the bubble beside the objects which are more than 1 inch. Look at the penny. Do you think the penny is more than 1 inch?
No.
You're right. No, we're not going to fill in that bubble. What about the pencil? Does the pencil look like it is more than 1 inch?
Yes.
You're right. So let's fill in that bubble beside the pencil. Look at that car. That car is 1 inch. You're right. It's not. So it would be more than 1 inch. So we're going to fill in that. So in section 3, we saw that the pencil and the car are more than 1 inch. Let's go to number 4. Look at those skateboards. They look like lots of fun. The directions say write the number your teacher says. Go to the green skateboard. In the green skateboard, write the number 13. 13. I had 13 grapes in the bag. 13. Now, what family would 13 live in?
Teen family.
Good. And how would I write 13, Lincoln?
1 in the front and the 3 in the back.
Oh, I love your hard work. Lincoln, say, I did my best. Huh.
I did my best. Hoo. I did my best. Hoo.
Hey, you are absolutely doing your best, and so are you, friends watching. I love it. Let's go here to this orange skateboard. I want you to write the number 96. 96. There were 96 stars twinkling in the sky. 96. How do you write 96? Micah?
We got a 9 in the front and a 6 in the back.
Yes, a 9 in the front and a 6 in the back. Now our last one is going to be on the purple skateboard. Write the number 54. 54. There are 54 butterflies floating around the tree. 54. How would you write 54, friends watching? Good. A 5 in the front and a 4 in the back. Well, boys and girls, what a great lesson we had today. Pencils resting. We were able to review combinations and we learned about Mr. Ruler. Go woo-hoo, Mr. Ruler.
Woo-hoo, Mr. Ruler.
And we learned about inches because on that ruler we measure in inches. Inch, inch, so small.
Inch, so small.
Can you measure how tall?
Can you measure how tall?
Friends, you are great at helping Mrs. Turner complete our paper. We're going to save the back for a future lesson. Keep up the good work.